Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. John here. I'm in my bright orange smart car and I'm still in my work get-up again for the second time for a video on the channel because I have literally just finished work. It's just gone 5:30, and if you haven't seen the previous video on the channel, well, quite a few of you have actually. It's me talking about the Royal Snail van and the fact that Mr. Man who bumped into me in his van basically mugged me off, or has been mugging me off for the past couple of days. This is a update video because thousands of you watched that video yesterday and hundreds of you commented saying, John, you've been right royally done over. And in that video, I asked the question, is this bloke actually just messing me about? Is he going to deliver on his word? Is he going to bring the parts today, this morning? That's how we left it. He'd forgotten to bring the parts yesterday. And loads of you have said, John, you're being taken for a ride, mate. Insurance time, time to get the small claims people involved, and as you will see by my comments, the majority of them was, no, he said tomorrow morning, I will give him until tomorrow morning, I will see if he's true to his word. Anyway, shockingly, I'm at Dad's, if you can see, there is a Peugeot 406 there. I've come to Dad's to see if he's actually been true to his word. Let's speak to Dad and find out. Hello, you all right?
I'm all right, it's them others.
Yes, indeed. How you doing, you okay?
I'm very well, thank you.
So I'm in Dad's kitchen, welcome. What is that?
See this here, this is what we eat.
What? Fruit and veg.
Fruit and veg.
Thanks. What's this you're messing about with?
It's for your mum to hang her bracelets on.
Good.
But her task was to supply me with some beads for the ends of the thing.
As you know, yesterday we were right royally cheesed off a little bit because we'd been let down by...
I would turn.
Yes, okay, thank you.
I did that with an electric drill and a black and white workmate.
Let's talk about the thing we've actually come to talk about.
You've seen the mortise joint?
Yes, lovely. Thank you, lovely. We'll do woodworking with Pete on a separate video. Stay there and turn around so I can see you. Right, yesterday we were a bit grumpy because we were mugged right off. Stay there, we can't see you in that light. We were mugged right off by Mr. Man, and thousands of people have told me we've been taken advantage of, our good nature. Go on then, did he turn up today?
Oh yes.
He's turned up?
He turned up.
Well,
yes.
What a shocking update. In fact, I need a shocking update reaction. Oh, shock. Right.
The woman on the jewellery channel, she goes, oh my God, I cannot believe the prices.
Right, so he's turned up. Yes. Any excuses? Right, okay, that doesn't fill me with confidence. Can we go look at the parts he's dropped off?
He forgot to do it, didn't he?
Well, yeah, did he? Or has he been threatened by the inspector going around to lick him to death? Anyway, can we look at these parts, please?
He's forgot to do it, bless him, poor old fella.
Here we go then, the moment of truth to check out the delivery.
It's under the back of this Proton, the wing is.
So we've had delivered
yes.
A wing. Oh, there it is. What were we waiting for? A wing,
headlights,
a light,
and trim.
And some trim.
Oh, I've got the blinking dishcloth there.
Well, there's a wing.
Yes.
Is it the right wing?
You tell me. There's a trim in there.
Can you? Why is it in a Proton?
Because I don't want it getting trodden on.
Okay. Oh, fantastic news. That looks all right. Can I have a look at it, please? Thank you. I don't want to just see a fleeting glance. I want to actually have a look at it. That's okay, isn't it?
It's red.
It's red. It's been painted. That'll do the trick. So that's the headlight surround.
Yes.
We've got...
Bet it's not a genuine Fiat bit.
Do you not think so?
No, I don't.
Okay. I'm not too bothered about that. If it's not a genuine Fiat part, that doesn't matter. Can you show us the wing, please?
It's got that plastic trim wedged in the door.
Can you show us this wing? Oh, lovely. Excellent. So is that a genuine Fiat wing, do you think? Or oh, it's got a... Here you are, look.
No.
Van parts are us, Fiat Doblo. Well, they could have painted the whole blooming thing, couldn't they?
It's a pattern part, isn't it?
Pattern part wing, not a problem. I did say that that was going to be okay. Painting okay on there? Looks all right, doesn't it? Good.
He's buffed the fish eyes out.
And then a headlamp, hopefully.
Yeah, the headlamp. The headlamp's in the footwell. Here is an headlamp.
Oh.
It's a second-hand headlamp.
Yeah. Well, that's okay. We knew that that was going to be the... Oh.
It's a bit shit.
It is. Can I have a look at that, please? Oh, dear. No, I'm not impressed with that. Well, it's all cracked. It's all cracked there. And it's got... What's it got all holes drilled in it for?
It's a beehive. It's for insects to live in.
Right. What? That's not acceptable, is it, that?
You tell me, Gromit. You're the foreman.
I'm not too impressed by that. Like I said in the previous video, the headlights were causing woodworking. The headlights were causing an issue because of cost and Lithuania and all that sort of stuff.
Lithuania. It'd be wrong blooming handed, wouldn't it?
So actually, the parts have arrived. Hooray, good news. They've been delivered today. Was the gentleman on time?
Yeah, but well, he's about 5 minutes late. I can't grumble about that.
Fine, not a problem. Everyone pleasant with each other?
He's bigger than me, he's got to be, isn't he?
And
the road.
Oh, thank you. He's dropped off
He's your size, wasn't he?
a headlight, a trim, and a wing.
Yes, mate.
Aftermarket wing, fine, painted. Hopefully it's the right colour, as in it matches the van.
No, it's not got any lack appeal.
No, that's true.
Don't get in this.
And we haven't got the whatchamacallit on there. Tyre pressures.
No.
Headlight surround looks good, looks the right sort of colour, but that headlight, which Dad, why are you not showing me the headlight properly?
Because I don't want to show you.
The headlight is no good. So we're kind of
Halfway there.
halfway there. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you reckon? Is that going to be a case? Can you?
Sorry.
Is that going to be a case of?
Stick.
What was you going to say?
I'm not bothered. You tell me.
I think that's going to be a case of.
Oh my God.
I'm going to accept that probably. I've got my wing, I've got my headlight surround, and now I've got a spare headlight. What do you reckon? Should he be buying me a brand new headlight? Probably. Let me know in the comments down below.
Brand new van.
Semi-mugged off really now. Anyway, I promised I would give you an update. Thousands of you wanted an update. Thousands of you said, go to the insurance company, go to small claims, call the police. It's not a police issue, it's a civil issue. You're going to be mugged off. You're never going to get the parts. So, in fairness to the bloke, I wanted to just say the parts are here and we're going to what? Fit them at the weekend. Who knows? Anyway, there's an update on the Snail van. Kind of still mugged off because the light is terrible. But anyway, we shall see what happens.
Been invaded.
And yes, Mum's in here as well now. Until next time, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Here's an update on the Snail van. Semi-mugged off. Some of the parts are here. Goodbye.
What do I know? I'm just a carpenter.
There are so many more Proton related videos on the channel, and I've actually selected a couple that I think you might like here on this page. Give them a click to watch them now. Don't forget to subscribe for more Proton fun and lots more videos coming soon.